Hey guys, so, maybe I must have conked myself out there. Yeah. So, this is my homie Trippy J, and he's 17 years old, and he's on my IG. I really did it myself right there. And we're gonna see what this is all about, because he's pretty dope. Alright, here we go.
Because whenever I start, it's the end, and the reason I can pretend. Many you don't follow trends, stuck reminiscing in the best so much. It was my pastime, and I'm done. I'm a part of lies as they authorize it into the night of my diary. My ego is slowly dying as I harmonize with nature and God's creation. You were one of them. Every time I look into your eyes, baby, I feel amazing. You're the light to a dog with a dog to a light. Every time I close your eyes, you're with me because, well, you're stuck in my. I never know just where to begin.
He's freaking dope, I swear to God. So he's rapping about somebody, possibly a girlfriend or something like that. He said something really sweet. You're the dark to my light, light to my dark. I like that. It's sweet.
You brought your boyfriend, well, he's just a boyfriend, right? Hope so, because you're mine. After we go out and get some drinks tonight, for your dad's alright, forgot to mention him. I'm a gentleman, I promise, Kim. But you, ooh, the focus of my attention, the tension was building. I saw him over the door and I was floored, but he recognized my face and threw me a high five. Damn, what a good guy, McGuire and I, we kicking this shit. Now I'm freestyling outside it. I don't know what to say, but it's okay, because I do not know where to begin.
Oh, there's more. That's pretty dope. Track timestamp thingies. Well, I really liked how this came together. Love your vision and storytelling. Really well put. Really, what the hell? Really well put together. You're sick as fuck, and that was some serious singing there. What? Some singing? You should have let me yell I in the beginning. Right, McGuire is a legend. This is so dope, homies. Your voices complement one another very well. Smash this, bro. You didn't know you could spit like this. Facts. This is dope. I like this. I don't know who's all in this, but I like it. I'm just waiting for Trippy J to come out. Come out, wherever you are. I'm telling you, he's young. He's young, but he's got talent. He does. And try not to stare at like how I swear to God, I really knocked out and hit my head right there. I'm working too much. Figgity facts. I don't know what that was, but it doesn't matter. Let's go.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. I have no purpose or drive. I may just work till I die. I may just work till I die. I'm trying to make waves. I'm gonna make waves. I'm trying to make waves, but I can't swim. Fuck. Making waves in an ocean full of fish. Can you swing at the plate, but you don't get three. This is just one, and then you're done. Better pack for home, cause they won. I'm trying to make waves. I'm gonna make waves. I'm trying to make waves, but I still do not know how to swim. Fuck! I wanna make waves, but I have a vicious feeling when I see an enemy. He wants to quarrel with me. It turns into a tight battle with lyrics both deep and shallow. I cannot stand arguing, so I sit down and talk. We end up agreeing, sure, we're on the same page. And ever since that day, I just haven't been the same. I'm not salty, but I see sickness everywhere. And I just wave at them and tell them all to take care. I'm trying to make waves. I'm gonna make waves. I'm trying to make waves. Maybe I should start in the shallow end. I'm not even gonna bother with the course anymore. I'm just gonna get some like pool floaties or some shit. Figure this shit out.
I swear. Just leave guys up to their own devices. They'll drown. Oh, it's funny. Begin, waves, and you. Read more. Fall. Fall. Is that the one we're supposed to do? Nah. Nah. So far I like the beginning and waves. Let's try you. A trail. A trail. Let's go.
Walking away, I just cannot stay for you. The light from your face has gotten away from you. I just can't escape the moment I'm taking for you. No. Walking away, and I just gotta stay for you, for you.
Before he goes in, let me pause it. Before I do another video, I'm gonna have to go and try to cover up that bruise right in the middle of my face. I don't even remember knocking out, but I guess that's how you knock out. I don't have any more things to read. Any more thingies to read. About a total Ferrari and salvage auction with, oh god. Yeah, I'm still reading the comments about Tom McDonald lethal injection. Damn. 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 Here we go.
God put me in a trailer to remind me life's a movie. Used to be confused until they started to prove to me. Conversated game relations said they never used me. I was like, what's up with all the bullies and stupidity? He said, well, you see, some people are meant to be. Some people have dreams that happen, some they make believe. But you're different, I'm not saying that either. You left but received what I wanted to live. All this drinking is damaging your liver. Lift your hands up and praise me daily. Religion is a lie, but I'm not my child. You're always swimming in the burning bridges in denial. Be yourself and spread positivity while you can. 100 years is your lifespan. So don't listen to other people's plans. Put your hands to the sky, spread love, little man.
It's a nice message. Oh, nice message. I don't know about... There's always lots of questions about religion. Religion's been around for a long time. Not all religion, but, you know, the basic ones. Catholicism or Christianity, things like that. So, all the other ones you definitely got to read about first. There's some weirds going on stuff in there. I liked that. I liked how that beat went and how it slowed down. It's definitely different, especially since, you know, there was a whole lot of fast white rapper bashing going around for a while. I like how they threw on something slow and just kind of let him do his own thing. It's very smart. Really smart. Okay, you guys, if you want to hear more, you need to go and subscribe and go help out the homie Trippy J. I'm going to put his links in the description. But yeah, I don't want this to get blocked or anything else. I don't know what could happen, but I've never kind of really done something like this before. I have played whole entire albums, but I usually play them live, and then the live gets pulled and never to be heard from again. I don't want this to get pulled. So, this is a full EP, so just a couple tracks. So, go check out the homie, and we'll go from there. Okay. I'll be back. Not quite as bruised up. Shout out to you, Trippy J. I'm always proud of you, homie. You always do a really good job. I never know what you're gonna bring. Very good, very good. Alright, here we go.